Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a YouTube channel without email or password. So let's get into it. First of all, open YouTube. Click your profile. Log in to YouTube Studio using the account of the channel you want to delete. Choose Settings from the left side of the screen. On the next screen, choose Channel, and then select Advanced Settings tab. Under Advanced Settings tab, scroll down until you see the Remove YouTube Content option. Click on that option. This will open another tab, and you'll be asked to sign in to your account again. Go ahead and do so. Click on the option labeled I want to permanently delete my content. Selecting this option will expand it into two short explanations of what this decision actually means. With check boxes next to each explanation section, read these explanations, and if you still want to delete your content, select both check boxes. If you're absolutely sure that you want to delete your YouTube channel, go ahead and click on the blue Delete My Content button. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.